Welcome back, students. So, today we're going to discuss the next 10 questions in ratio and proportion. So, I'm going to explain all the 10 questions with shortcuts and tricks. So, let's start with this problem. So, root 2 is to 1 plus root 3. So, this is one ratio. Okay. And root 6 is to x. This is another ratio. Okay. So, always, actually, this is called proportion. விகித சமம்னு சொல்றாங்க இல்லையா, this is called proportion. When we compare two ratio or three ratio, that is called proportion. So root 2 over 1 plus root 3, that is equal to root 6 over x. So இப்போ கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியாக இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். So once you write like this, just cross multiply these values, you will get the answer. So 1 plus root 3 times into root 6 divided by, or else that is equal to x root 2. Okay, right. So x is equal to root 6 into 1 plus root 3 divided by root 2. Okay, so I can write this root 3 times 1 plus root 3, that is root 2 root 6 cancel பண்ணோம்னா root 3 வருமா? Okay, so that is equal to root 3 plus 3 is the final answer. So I can cancel this, and this is what the final answer, root 3 plus 3. Right, next question. What will be the simplest form of the ratio 3 hours 1 day? One side is hours and another side is day. Okay, so 3 hours, what will be the simplest form of the 3 hours 1 day? So 1 day we had 24 hours, so 3 over 24, solve பண்ணீங்கன்னா answer. Okay, so that is nothing but 1 by 8. Right, the simplest form of ratio 1.5 by 2.5. When look at this, after decimal point 1 digit, after decimal point 1 digit. So if ratio is needed, means just you can write 15 by 25 அப்படியே எழுதலாம். Right, 5 tables 3 times 5 times 3 by 5 is the right answer. Correct. Next, 9 power 3.04 over 9 power 2.04 is equal to, what is the ratio? So according to surds and indices, exponents and roots, x power m divided by x power n, that is equal to x power m minus n ன்னு படிச்சிருப்போம். So just write like this, 9 power 3.04 minus 2.04. சரிங்களா? Right, so that is nothing but 9 power 1 வருமா? 9 power 1 is equal to 9. So our answer will be 9 is to 1. Next, the ratio same as என்னன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. So 4 power 3.5 divided by 2 power 5. See, can I write this 4 in 2 power 2, 2 power 2 எழுதலாம் இல்லையா? So 2 power 2 is 4, power 3.5 divided by 2 power 5. So make the base value same. Okay, right. Next, x power m whole power n is equal to x power m times n. So இது ஒரு formula இருக்கு. So just use this formula. So 2 power, so 2 power 3.5 into 2, 7, 7 over 2 power 5. Now base values are same, so 2 power 7 minus 5, that is 2 square. 2 square is what? 4. Sorry. So 4 is to 1 is the right answer. Okay, so decimal denominator is already, it becomes 1. Okay, so I take that to the numerator, so 4 is to 1 is the right answer. Right, next question. In a proportion, the product of first and fourth term is 40 and that of second and third term is 2.5x. Then the value of x is what? Right. First and fourth term. So first term, second term, third term, fourth term. The proportion, the product of first and the fourth term is 40. So I will write a by b, that is equal to c by d. Okay, if I rewrite this, a into d is equal to b into c. Then so they gave this product. This product is nothing but 40. Okay, and second and third is 2.5x. 2.5 times x. So if I want to find the x value, 40 over 2.5 will be the answer. So x value is 16. Correct? If it is not easy, look at this, guys. Multiply with 10 and multiply with 10. So the decimal value will went off. So 400 divided by 25. Okay, 2500 4 times, 400 4 into 4, 16 times. Right? Next, 27th problem. 20% of A is equal to 30% of B is equal to 1 by 6 of C. Okay. So 20 by 100 into A, that is equal to 30 by 100 into B, that is equal to 1 by 6 into C. Chariya? So so we can write like this, 5 1 by 5, correct? So 1 by 5a is equal to 3 by 10b is equal to c by 6. So இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் எழுதணும்னா I can write a by 5 is equal to 3b by 10. First இது மட்டும் எடுத்துக்கும். Okay, they need ABC, right? Okay, look at this. Then now when I cancel this 1 and 2, so 2a is equal to 3b. A by b is equal to 3 by 2. Correct? So now I got a is to b, that is 3 is to 2. Now let I take b by c, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 3 by 10, whatever it is. Okay, let's take b is to c. B is to c. So 3b by 10 is equal to c by 6. Correct? When I cancel this, 5 and 3 cross multiply, 3 3s are 9, b is equal to 5c. So B by C, in the C kilo vandiruchuna, then 5 by 9 vandirum. Okay, so look at this, guys. B is to C is 5 is to 9. Now this is the A is to B and B is to C. I need A, B, C. Correct? So how to write this? That is the concept. Look at this. A is to B is to C venuma. Right? A is to B is 3 is to 2. B is to C is 5 is to 9. Just multiply zigzag, you will get the answer. So 5 3s are 15. Then 5 2s are 10. Then 9 2s are 18. 15, 10, 18 is the right answer. So yeah. Right. One more thing I want to say here. Once I got this particular fraction, see, A is to B 2, 3 is to 2 இருக்கணும். 3 is to 2 இல்லை. This is, இது ரெண்டையும் எடுத்தனா 2 is to 3. This is also not. And 3 is to 2 இருக்கு. Here it was 3 is to 2. Then B is to C should be 5 is to 9. But this is not 5 is to 9. So this is also wrong. See, if I cancel this, I will get 3 is to 2. Right? Then idhula 10 la paadi 5, 18 la paadi 9. 5 is to 9. So without this method also we can get the answer once I got the relation ABC. Right. 25% of A's income is equal to 35% of B's income. The ratio of income of A and B. Look at this. 25% of A is equal to 35% of B. Just write this as an equation. 25 by 100 into A is equal to 35 by 100 into B. Correct? Okay, super. So once you write this fastly, just cancel this value. Okay, then 25 35 cancel this. 25 5 times, 35 7 times. So 5A is equal to 7B. A by B is equal to 7 by 5. The B kilo vandadana idu inge vandarum 5. So 7 is to 5 is the final answer. That's it. Next, look at this. X is equal to 1 by 3y. The pakka y is equal to 1 by 2z. Okay. So 3x is equal to 1y when this 3 goes that side. Okay. And 2y is equal to let me complete this. So x over y is equal to 1 over 3. Okay, so x, okay, leave it. 2y is equal to 1z. So y by z is equal to 1 by 2. This is another thing. So already I told you that x is to y is to z. Okay, what is x is to y? X is to y and y is to z. X is to y is what? 1 is to 3. Y is to z 1 is to 2. If you want to find answer from this, you can get the answer. First xy vandu 1 is to 3 irukano. This is not right. This is not right. 1 is to 3 irukku. This is the answer. Okay, this is not right. But if you want the exact answer, look at this. 1 is to 3, 1 is to 2. So multiply this. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, 1 into 3 is 3. Right? 3 into 2 is 6. This is what the final answer. Option B is the right answer. So once I get xy value is 1 is to 3, I can check the options. So this is not 1 is to 3, this is not 1 is to, if I cancel this, 1 is to 2 only I will get. And this is also 1 is to 3. So obviously option B is the answer. There is none of this. Okay. But if you want exact full answer, you can try this whole. Right. And the final question. 2a is equal to 3b is equal to 4c. Then what is equals to ABC? Very simple. 2, 3, 4. Let's take LCM. It is 12. 2 into what number is 12? 2 into what number is 12? 6. 3 into what number is 12? 4. 4 into 3 is 12. So 6 is to 4 is to 3 is the final answer. Okay. So I hope you guys understand these questions, how to solve these things. So daily 10 questions I had explained how to solve this faster and what is the methodology, shortcuts and tricks, everything. So anybody is new to here, just join in the given link in the description. WhatsApp link and Telegram link was given. Daily 10 questions I will be given in these groups. Next day I will explain the questions in this channel. All the very best guys. Meet you in the next session. Thank you.